Hi, another quick Friday technical for you. This week I thought I'd show you our wonderful rotary castings and the process they go through. Hope this is of interest because I know myself when I started looking into it and working the Moly process out and what was done, it's quite interesting. So today I'm going to show you from raw cast what we've got here. This is a Commander primary side engine casting. So this is our raw casting. This has had no machining work at all. It's straight as it comes from the casting. As you can see, here is our rotor surface that will be after it's been machined. So rough, standard cast as we receive it. So that's the first process. A different plate, this is now called center plate. As you can see, that has been through the machining process now. We've got our rotor faces prepared. It's had all the drillings and machinings done. So that is the first process where we've gone from our rough cast to our machine surfaces. So that's the first process. What happens now when these are prepared for Moly coating? So let's have a look at that next process. This is a water-cooled center plate, but you can see here we've got the machine surface, all the drillings and the castings cut away and everything, so you can see nice plate. But this is the interesting thing. Well, here you can see the track in the epitrochoid of where the Moly coating's done. So nice surface, and you can see here it's about a mil, give or take. That groove is machined out, and the metal, the molybdenum coating, is then sprayed onto that surface, and then it's surface ground back. So that then gives us our final casing that's ready for your bike. So again, from rough cast, prepared and machined, prepared for Moly coating with the epitrochoid groove cut out for the molybdenum, and then we go to your final casting, which will be ready to fit on your bike, all painted, all ready. This is one that's been prepared for an F1. As you can see, a different plate again, but shows the same processes. You can see where we've gone from these rough castings and other castings through to this final process where the track that's been cut is then metal sprayed with the molybdenum, and then that is then infilled and ground back to give you your final surface. So that's now ready to be built onto the engine as the perfect finished article. Now we've seen the 4 stages of the casting works, and to get to our final molybdenum coated paint, what I'd like to just quickly tell you is the reason behind the molybdenum coating. So you can see we've got a nice casting all prepared here, which is what was originally used and was deemed acceptable at the time. Now with modern technology, modern chemicals, better 2-stroke oils, definitely low soot oils, and with the use of the molybdenum, it gives you a much better surface for your rotor to run on. It's a protected, very hard surface that's actually sprayed in. So the molybdenum will give your rotor faces a lot of protection and save it from the damage that we've seen earlier on. One of the early videos we talked about the smearing, and you saw the damage to the end housing. And this molybdenum, along with using modern low ash 2-stroke oils, has really given better reliability and greater lifespan of your rotor housings. So again, I hope that's of interest. I mean, obviously there is more technical reasons therefore on why and whatever, but this isn't the platform. This is just for you to have a rough understanding of seeing our 4 stages and why we do it. So I hope that's useful, and I look forward to showing you some more things in the coming weeks.